How to log into Nordstrom Credit Card account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to teach you guys on how can you exactly log into your Nordstrom Credit Card online account. So in order to log into your Nordstrom Credit Card account, start by launching your preferred web browser such as Google Chrome and enter Nordstrom Credit Card in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various and numerous websites. From there, click on the official website of Nordstrom. Click on it. On the website, you will notice two main sections. If you are new and haven't registered for the card management yet, click on the Sign Up Now option in the right-hand side of the screen. And if you already have an account, simply enter your username and the password in the designated fields over here. After you have entered the correct form of your credentials in this designated area, click on the Sign In option that is highlighted in black color in order to successfully log into your Nordstrom credit card account. But if in the event if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can click on this username over here in order to retry your username. To recover or reset your password, click on this password option over here. This way you will be able to reset your login credentials in case you don't have access to your account. And in order to activate your new card, you can click on this activate new card in the top right corner of the screen. So this is how you can exactly log into your Nordstrom credit card account. If you found this video to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support.